Students, today we are going to learn a new topic in grammar, that is adjectives and its types. Okay, as you all know, what is an adjective? It is one of the parts of speech. Yes. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. This you all know. An adjective is a describing word and it tells us more about a noun. If in a sentence there is an adjective, how you will find out? You will first find out the noun and see to it that which word is telling us more about that noun, which word is describing and giving more information about the noun, then that word will be called as an adjective. So always keep in your mind that an adjective is a describing word and it tells more about a noun. For example, if I tell you Mohana is a beautiful girl. So in this sentence, what is the noun? The noun is Mohana. And how does she look? How is she? Mohana is beautiful. So beautiful will be adjective because beautiful is describing the noun Mohana. Okay. So keep in mind, what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word and it tells us more about a noun. Now I am going to tell you about the types of adjectives. Okay. Once you know what is an adjective, it will be very easy to identify the types of adjective. Now first let's study about the first type of adjective, that is adjective of quality. As the name signifies quality, it will point out to some quality which will be mentioned in a sentence. For example, I have written three words: smart, beautiful and tall. All these three words are adjectives and it is telling us about the quality of something. For example, if I give a sentence, Aman is a smart boy. So in this sentence, smart is a word which is telling about the quality of Aman. So smart is adjective, and which type of adjective it is? It is adjective of quality because it is telling the quality of Aman. Second one is beautiful. If I say this dress looks very beautiful, so the word beautiful tells us about the beauty of the dress. So it is telling us about the quality. So beautiful is an adjective, and what kind of adjective it is? Yes, it is adjective of quality. Next one is tall. If I say Burj Khalifa is very tall, so I am telling about the quality of Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in Dubai. So I have signified the word tall and it tells us about the quality of the building Burj Khalifa, that it is very tall. So all these three words, they tell us about the quality. So they are known as adjective of quality. Now let's move on to the second one, that is adjective of quantity. Okay, quantity means what? How much we can measure but not in number. The adjective of quantity means the words which tells us about the quantity of something without signifying the numbers. So adjective of quantity, I have given some words over here: some, more and few. With the help of these words we come to know the quantity of something. For example, if I tell you she brought some bananas for me, so I am telling you that she brought some bananas for me, but I don't know how many bananas she brought, but she brought some. So it tells us about the quantity without telling us about the proper and exact numbers. The next is more. Yes, if I say teacher please give me few more seconds to complete the homework, so in this I have used both the words few as well as more. So it is telling us about the quantity of time without telling the exact number of the measurement or how many hours, how many minutes. Just I am using the words more and few. So without telling the exact figures or numbers, it will just tell us about the quantity. These kinds of words are adjectives of quantity, like some, more, few, etc. Okay. So let's move on to the last one, that is adjective of number. As the name itself signifies, you can point out the numbers in this, like 2 eyes, 5 apples, 10 fingers. Okay, we have 2 eyes. So in this, what is an adjective? 2 is an adjective and it signifies a number. So it is adjective of number. Okay. The next one is 5. So 5 apples. My mom brought 5 apples from the market. So what is adjective in this? 5. So 5 is a number. So it is adjective of number. Then we all have 10 fingers. So 10 is an adjective and it is an adjective of number. So these are the 3 adjectives which we are going to learn today. Once again I will repeat: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. Quality, there will be a quality, it will signify a quality of something. Next is adjective of quantity, it will signify some quantity. And next is adjective of number, it will show us a number. Okay, so these 3 adjectives we are going to learn today. So you can find out adjectives from your textbook of various lessons, and then you can also find out the type of adjectives. In this way you will learn these 3 kinds of adjective: quality, quantity and number. Okay students, thank you.